Refer and earn with Dignity Jobs. Good news. Exciting opportunity awaits. Dignity Jobs is thrilled to launch a Refer and Earn scheme where you can earn money by referring job seekers. In this video, we'll cover how you can earn money by referring candidates, how much you can earn, the step-by-step process, eligibility criteria. So, let's get started without wasting any time. Hey everyone. This is Imran from Dignity Jobs, welcoming you all. We are hiring. We are currently hiring for warehouse associates, pickers, packers, and delivery associates with top companies like Blinkit, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, Rapido, Amazon, and Flipkart. We share daily job requirements in our WhatsApp groups, link in the description. Join our group to stay updated on location-wise vacancies, salary details, and more. How does the Refer and Earn process work? 1. Check the job requirements shared in the WhatsApp group. 2. If you know someone looking for a job, collect their resume. 3. Share the resume with your assigned team leader, we'll provide one for you. 4. Your team leader will give you the office address. Guide the candidate through the interview process. 5. Your role ends once the candidate attends the interview. Your team leader handles the rest, including onboarding and updates in the group. How much can you earn? 1000 rupees per selected candidate. Refer 20-25 candidates per month to earn 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, all from the comfort of your home. Light bulb note payment is made on the 10th of every month. Candidates must work for at least 1 month to qualify for your payout. Why join us? No targets, flexible timing, side income opportunity, experience in the HR field, certification upon exit, additional incentives. How to join? Fill out the freelancer form, link in the description. Send a screenshot of your submission to WhatsApp 7730010507. Share this video with friends or family looking for side income opportunities or ways to earn from home. Let's help more people find jobs while you earn rewards. Join Dignity Jobs Refer and Earn program today and start your journey toward financial independence. See you inside. Rocket.